In this video, I am going to show you how to create intro and outro for your videos. If you are very conversant with YouTube, you realize that when you click on the video of most channels to watch, you realize that you first get a welcome note, just like them welcoming you to their channel with some graphics. So that is what intro is about. And then when you are done, you will see another graphics that explains that, okay, thank you for watching, remember to subscribe and all of that. So I have it for my own channel. Let me show you what it is. Let me show you for my channel how I did my intro and outro. Not really how I did it. I'm going to show you how I did it, but let me show you how it is so that you understand what I mean by intro and outro. So let me click on this particular video. It's not starting from the beginning. So once you enter my channel, this is the first thing you see. Sorry, let me reduce this sound. But once you enter my channel, you don't just see the star immediately. You see something that talks about what my channel is about. This is to keep people glued so that when people see that intro, they'll know that, oh, they can subscribe to my channel because my channel talk is about what they are looking for. So my channel is about styles. I post styles, nice styles for people. So the intro just tell them what my channel is about so that they can subscribe. So let's see it again. You can see, and many more, and I had, so this is before my video, so this my video has started here. So let me show you my outro. My outro is actually very simple. Okay, this is my outro. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe for more fashion style. So I'm going to show you how to create intro and outro for your own video so that when people come visiting your channel, they can have an idea what your channel is about. So let me just create how I did my design for you, how I did my intro and outro. So I'm going to be using CC Express like I explained. You can use Canva. I know a lot of people that use Canva to create, I know a lot of people that use Canva to create their stuff, but me, I essentially don't use Canva. I use CC Express for my intro and outro. But for every other designs I make, I use Canva. I use Canva for every. If you purchase my course, there's a particular course I created on content design. It's actually a very well packed course that explained how to create designs using your smartphone, and it's going for just 2K. So the course I actually explain how you can use your phone to create stunning design using Canva, and how to have access to Canva Pro for free. I thought in the class it's just going for 2K, but if you know how to design before, you don't need the course. Like I said, I also taught in that course how to create video. Let me show you. I taught how to create videos and all of that. So you can see this is the course Guide to Content Design. One of the things you first see is my book to business branding. I wrote this book myself. It's a guide to business branding. And then I taught about full Canva tutorial, and then how to access Canva Pro, part one and part two, how to create IG highlights, Instagram carousels 1 and 2, basis of content writing. For those that don't know, I'm a content writer also. So I'm a content writer, and then I showed them how to create video ad 1 and 2, and then how to monetize their knowledge. And I think I've had almost 100 people buy this course, and it's going for just 2K. It's going for a discount of 2K, and it's actually well packed. It's exactly what you have been looking for. So if you wanted to know more about designs, you can get it. But if you don't need to get, just like I explained, you don't need to get. So let me go back to where I left it off. So let's go to the class now. I'm going to show you how I created intro for my class. So I just clicked on the plus button. Let me show you once again. This is the button that I clicked on. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to go to solid color, and then I will choose a white background. I actually want a white background for my work, and then I'm choosing the Instagram size. You can see the size here, the Instagram size. That's what I'm choosing, and then I'll click on done. So when I click on done, it will bring me here. So I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, this is how it's supposed to be. So now I just clicked on this. So this is essentially what I do. Edit it, and then the name of my channel, of course, is the Rhythmic Fashion. The way I got the name is actually very funny. I like I said, I'm a medical student, and rhythmic is about the arts and all of that. So one day I was studying about the arts, and the name just came to me. I was like, oh wow, this is nice. So the Rhythmic Fashion, and then let me just space it. Yes, space them, space it. Yeah, space it. Yeah, the Rhythmic Fashion. So we have it here, and then align it to the left. Yes, the Rhythmic Fashion, and then I can just pick any color that I want. My color that I use for my channel is actually purple, so I'll go ahead and pick color. I use a very deep purple, not too deep anyways. So okay, this one is okay. Yeah, I think this one is okay. So the rhythmic fashion, and then I'll go ahead to this add button and look for icon. So since my fashion is about dresses, so I'll just look for a dress. Don't worry, by the time I finish, you understand better what I'm doing. Just follow me. So let me just pick a dress and then click on add one at the top. Add one at the top so you can see this. The rhythmic fashion. Let me shift this a bit. Yeah. Yeah, so we have this. So when you come to my channel, this is like I showed you, this is exactly how I create it. Though I'm making it a little bit different now. So but this is essentially how I create it. Yeah. Okay, we are done with the first slide. The second slide, let me just delete this. I'm going to delete this and then I'm going to go to hard and then go to my photos. I'll just go to my gallery and just pick an image. So I'm in my gallery. I'll just go ahead and pick a picture and then click on hard one. And then I'll choose move freely. So let me just change this and then let me expand this. Move freely, expand. Yeah, so I think that's all. And then I'll click on this and choose edit. I'll edit it and choose wedding dresses, wedding gowns. So let me reduce the spacing. All right, so wedding gowns. So I think this is okay for my slide. Yeah, and then I'll go ahead and save this one also. And then I click on this image, replace it, go to my gallery and pick one. Okay, this was the image that I picked for the second slide, and then I just change it, go to edit, go to edit it and choose business, enter outfits. All right, so let me just reduce the size just a bit. So I think that's all. I'll go ahead also to save it inside my phone, and then I'll go ahead and replace this also. Go to my gallery and just pick one image. Okay, I picked this image and then I'll go ahead and write Ankara styles. Yes. So this is how I create my own intro for my video. This is essentially how I do it. So I think this is just everything for the first slide, for the first three slides. And the way I did the last one is that I already mixed some pictures in my gallery. I'll just go ahead and pick the okay, here's the picture that I picked mixed already. I know I just add it and many more so that we have an idea what my channel is about. This is the reason why I do this and many more. And many more. Okay. Sorry, let me add the dot. All right, so this is essentially how I create my first few slides, and then after this I just save it on my phone. Go ahead, image, and that's all. My intro is ready. This is essentially all that I use for my intro. Now to create my outro, let me delete it. I don't add any image to my outro at all. I don't add any image. Just go ahead and just type thank you for watching. Let me do it like this. For watching. All right, thank you for watching. So that's all. And then change the alignment to center, increase the size. Thank you for watching. Done. And then I had another text there. Kindly subscribe for more fashion styles. Subscribe for more fashion styles, because you need the subscription. Like I said, you need the subscription. Then just use it, make it wide, and just bring it down here, somewhere down, and then you can change the font whatever you want, but it's okay. But just make this one, make it animated. We are going to make this one animated. Done. Go to animation. You want to make it animated. Thank you for watching. So you can see, you can choose any type that you want. There are so many options to pick from. Okay, I think I like this. So let's save it. We'll save it as video, and then it should save into our phone. Thank you. So now it is ready. So this is what I do after doing. So I go ahead to my InShot app now. I go ahead to my InShot app, and I just pick the first slide, which is a video. I picked the first slide, which I animated the first slide of the rhythmic fashion, and then I picked the second one, which is wedding gowns, business outfits, Ankara styles, and many more. So that's essentially my intro. So everything is a video now. So let's see it. So this is my intro. Once you come to my channel, this is the first thing that you see. Now, if you see it, you realize that each slide of the picture is taking too long. I'm okay with the first one. This one, I'm okay with the length of time it is taking. But this one, each slide of this picture is taking too long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it and reduce the speed. I'm going to click on it and reduce the speed. Go ahead to speed. Is on 5 seconds. It's too much. It's too much. I think 2 seconds should be enough. If it's not too much, safe. 2 seconds should be enough. So let's see it. Okay, business outfit. I'll also change that one to 2 seconds. It's okay. And then the last one, the third one, I'll change the speed also. Speed, I'll change it 2 seconds also. It's okay. And then the last one, I'll leave the last one maybe at 3.5 seconds, I guess. So it's just okay. So let's see it now. Yeah, so I think, and many more. So I think this is just enough. Then at this last slide, I'll go ahead to sticker and add a sticker. Download. I want to add a sticker, a subscribe sticker, so that when people see it, they will know that okay, they should subscribe to my channel. So you should have something like that at the beginning of your videos, so people should know if they should subscribe or not. Please kindly do that when you are creating your intro. It is important to let people know that you want them to subscribe. So I don't know why it's taking too long. Let me click on it again. Since it's going to be in the last slide, that's why I'm here. So let's find it again. Okay, we have it. We have them now. So this is the subscribe button, and then I bring it here. So it's okay. So let's see our video from the beginning. Okay. You can see. So I think this is actually beautiful. Let's move this to the end of the video. Yeah. So this is my intro. We have it now, and then you go ahead to save it. This is how to make intro. And then of course I've shown you the outro already.